The passing of a loved one is always difficult. Whether it's a relative, partner, or close friend, you need time and space to grieve. After you've had a chance to process the loss, it's important to review your estate plan in light of your loved one's death. Your estate plan is designed to address what happens if you become incapacitated or pass away, but a loved one's death can significantly affect the choices you've made. If you already have an estate plan in place, you'll need to revisit it, keeping the following key points in mind. Was your loved one named as a beneficiary? If your loved one was named as a beneficiary in your will or living trust, it's crucial to check if your estate plan outlines what happens to their inheritance if they pass away before you. Estate plans often include contingent beneficiaries to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes if your first choice is no longer living. If no backup is named, the assets could revert to your general estate and be distributed according to the remaining terms of your plan, potentially going to someone you didn't intend. Was your loved one a trusted decision maker? Estate plans typically name trusted individuals to act on your behalf in the event of your incapacity or death. These roles include agents for financial and medical decisions, successor trustees, or personal representatives. If your loved one held one of these positions, review your plan to ensure a backup is in place or update the documents to name new individuals who can take on these responsibilities. A personal representative is responsible for managing your estate, paying debts, and distributing assets after your death. If your named executor has passed away and there is no backup, a court will appoint someone according to state law. If your loved one was a co-trustee or successor trustee, you'll need to determine who will step in. Your trust document may outline a procedure for appointing a new trustee or may require court approval, so it's best to update the trust now to avoid complications later. An agent under a financial power of attorney manages your finances if you're incapacitated. If they have passed away and there's no backup, a court will appoint a guardian, which will lead to delays and expenses. Updating this document ensures that someone you trust is in place to act on your behalf. An agent under the medical power of attorney makes medical decisions for you when you can't. It's essential to update this document to ensure that someone who understands your wishes can make important healthcare decisions for you. If your loved one was named as the guardian for your minor children, it's critical to update this selection. Without a named guardian, a court will choose someone, and that decision may not reflect your personal wishes. By revisiting your estate plan after a loved one's death, you can ensure that your wishes will be honored and that those you care about are protected.